rectangle, diagonal lines, angles. What is the upper next one? Parallelogram. Okay na? Parallelogram. Next one is parallelogram. What is the condition of parallelogram? Parallelogram, how does that depend? How does that drive? Parallel lines. Two opposite lines are parallel lines and equal. This is the parallelogram. Next one, diagonal lines are equal or not equal? Not equal. Next one condition, not 90 degrees. Angle. 90 degrees, not 90 degrees. Okay na? Next one is sum of two applies. Next one upcoming trapezium. How do they define trapezium? For example, two parallel lines but not equal lines. Parallelogram, parallel lines and opposite lines are equal. Trapezium, parallel lines but not equal. Okay na? Next another two lines. So diagonal lines so first of all where is the your trash? Give the name. Yesterday is some work here. Use the drive. How many square, parallelogram, trapezium, rectangle, rhombus, opposite angles are usual. Where is the trapezium? Parallelogram, trapezium. Only one condition of there will be right here. Trapezium. Only one students are completed. Remaining students? Vikyati. Next, Jamil. What happened? Boys, anybody? Go to the home, eating the food, sleeping the food. Right up? Or rhymes right? Daily you are making work में rhymes लेकर आए नहीं Coming in the school, sleeping in the classroom, and the sun classroom, and tomorrow. Okay, na? And what we just. So upcoming next one is what is the coming one? Rhombus. Rhombus. What is the conditions of rhombus? Diagonals not equals. Okay, na? Sides are not equals. Best example is kite. General kite is okay, na? So sometimes there are square में reverse यदि rotation to the square में squares में diagonals are equal not sides are equal just check it ना rhombus what is the conditions rhombus sides are equal, diagonals are not equal. The sides are equal. So diagonals is not equal. That is the difference of square and rhombus. Next one is what is the coming next one? Third, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel CD. If AD is equals to BC, show that angle A is equals to angle B and angle C is equals to angle D. So trapezium what is that? Where is the trapezium? Trapezium parallelogram. Trapezium. This is the trapezium A, B, C, D. What is show that? ఇక్కడ AB parallel CD వచ్చిన what is the condition? Next to diagonal. What is the angles? Angles are equal. Angle A, angle B is equals to and angle C is equals to angle D. Show that. So ఎలా show చేస్తున్నాం? అదేనా వేరేదన్నా క్వశ్చన్
तो एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट करते हैं राइट एंगल पर मतलब बराबर बराबर काटते हैं राइट एंगल पर यानी यूजर होगा तो कोई करना चाहिए रोमबस होगा ठीक है, यहाँ पे पहले से गिवन डोज दिया है, मान लेते हैं A B C D एक बॉडी दिया है और उसके बाद में A B और D एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट करते हैं पॉइंट O पर, मतलब 90 डिग्री पर बाइसेक्ट करते हैं, यहाँ पर पॉइंट O बनता है, ठीक है, ये 90 डिग्री में बनाते हैं। तो हमें करना है
Four angles of ratio. ABC is the rectangle.
quadrilateral ठीक है,
डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर टाइप చేసిన sometimes complete the answer okay na don't chapter name and exercise name directly repeat type the and question type చేసిన complete the answer directly okay na only one question two question check చేసుకోండి
OB equals to OD हो जाएगा, ठीक है,
exercise 8.1
एंगल सभी 90 डिग्री है, AOB equals to BOC equals to COD equals to 9, ठीक है, एंगल B करो होंगे,
MCQ वाली
एंगल B equals to एंगल
take the subtitle side
equals to एंगल BOA या फिर AOB।
Look at the fifth one, na? So fifth one, ABCD is a rectangle. AC is a diagonal. Find the nature of triangle ACD. This is the easy, na? What is the given picture? ABCD. What is that? Rectangle or square?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. This is the ABCD a rectangle. Okay, na? Which line is diagonals? AC is the diagonals. Next one. What is the triangle?
ACD.
ACD. Give reason. So, combination and triangle ACD. What is the reason? Tell me. Diagonals divide the two equal triangles. Which one? Rectangle. Rectangle diagonal line and divide the two equal triangles. Diagonal lines. Which one? AC. That is the reason. Right, Devi? Listen on fifth one. Draw the rectangle and AC diagonals. So, okay, what is the formation? Two triangles formation. So, what is the reason? Diagonal lines divide the two equal triangles. Diagonals, what is the working diagram? Diagonal lines working is rectangle divide the two parts. Divide the two parts. Divide the first one part, two part. But what is the part this is same is triangles. So divide the two equal triangles ne divide చేస్తాం. That is the reason. Okay na?
అది ఎలా అన్నది ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకే, సి ఏదైనా ఒక క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్ తీసుకున్నామా, ఎనీ వన్ క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్ ఒక డయాగ్నల్ డ్రా చేసినట్టయితే మనకు టూ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఫామ్ అవుతాయి. అవును, సో ఇక్కడ సమ్ ఆఫ్ 3 యాంగిల్స్ ఈజ్ 180, ఇక్కడ కూడా సమ్ ఆఫ్ 3 యాంగిల్స్ ఈజ్ 180. ఇఫ్ వి యాడ్ ఆల్ దీస్ 4 యాంగిల్స్ we will get 360 degrees. So sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. ఈ ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ ఏ రేషియోలో ఉన్నాయి అన్నది ప్రాబ్లంలో మెన్షన్ చేస్తాం. రైట్, let's solve it. Fourth problem. Given that ratio of and 3, 4, 5. This is fourth video on this chapter at a separate folder. Okay? So
fourth question explain this. No problem.
and our video lo మనం ఏ డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం కూడా మెన్షన్ చేస్తున్నాం. చిల్డ్రన్ ఛానల్ గురించి ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేసి ఈ ఛానల్ వీడియోలో మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం.
నిజంగా మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసిన బాధ్యత కోసం ఫోర్త్ వన్ ది ఫోర్ యాంగిల్స్ ఆఫ్ కోఆర్డినేటర్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ద రేషియో 1:2:3:4. ఫైండ్ ద మెజర్ ఆఫ్ ఈచ్ యాంగిల్స్ ఆఫ్ కోఆర్డినేటర్స్. సో ఇక్కడ వాట్ ఇస్ ద యాంగిల్స్ ఇస్ ద గివెన్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద రేషియో 1:2:3:4. maybe this one angle, for example 30, and this one angle is 60, this one angle is 90, this one angle is 120. So but what is the ratio of which angle is this one is quadrilateral angles. So how did the find out this is the
ratio of angles
but total angles is equals to 360 degrees equal.
quadrilateral.
But all angles are equal, not equal. First
So
one
our ratio ఏమి ఇచ్చారంటే 1:2:4.
4 times extra ఉంటుంది.
సో రేషియోలో ఉండే టర్మ్స్ ని మనం వాల్యూస్ లోకి చేంజ్ చేయాలంటే we need to multiply with any one variable. Already we have seen that. Okay? Already మనం 8th class and 7th class లోనే నేర్చుకున్నాం. రేషియోస్ ని యాక్చువల్ వాల్యూస్ లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే we need to multiply with any one variable. So let first angle. Let angles are 1x, 2x, 3x and 4x. వీటిని angles గా కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. సో sum of 4 angles దేనికి ఈక్వల్ అంటే 360 degrees కి. Sum of angles of quadrilateral equals to 360 degrees. Now let us have these 4 angles children. 1x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x equal to 360 degrees. So 1x plus 2x is 3x, 3x plus 3x is 6x, 6x plus 4x is 10x is 10x equals to 360. Now transpose the 10 to RHS. We will get x value. 360 by 10, it is 36. Actually x value మాత్రమే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం. సో మనకి యాంగిల్స్ కావాలంటే ఈ x ని ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. Therefore angles of quadrilateral are 1 into 36 degrees, 2 into 36 degrees, 3 into 36 degrees, 4 into 36 degrees, right? So in that choosing correctly 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. So 36 degrees, 72 degrees, and this is 108 degrees, and this is 144 degrees. These are 4 angles of quadrilateral. Very
Is it clear?
Yes,
What
sir.
is the asking question? First angle is second angle is double times. The third angle is triple times. Fourth angle is 4 times extra. What is the angles? So 36, the double is 72, triple time is 198, 4 time is 144. The total sum of angles is equals to 360 degrees equal. Check చేసుకుందాం.
Yes, sir.
ఓకేనా? సో కోఆర్డినేటర్స్ లో యాంగిల్స్ అనేది ఆల్ యాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ ఉండాలని రూల్ ఏంటి? సో సమ్ దిస్ వన్ యాంగిల్ ఇస్ 36 is, one angle is 72, ఇలా డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటాయి. బట్ టోటల్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్స్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 360 degrees కి ఈక్వల్. సో ఇక్కడ రేషియో ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ x, ఫైండ్ ద యాంగిల్స్ విత్ x. లెట్ బి ఫైండ్ ద ఏదైతే యాంగిల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తుందో దట్ బి x. about ratio నేను already this type problems before chapter relation. So one expression total sum of angles is equal to 3 degree translation చేయండి x is equal final then submit the x as p1 note down. Now what is the condition? 3 total sum of angles is 360 degrees and this is the most important point. Okay na? Triangle sum of angles is equal to 180. Right? Don't question answer. Completed? Completed?
Yes, sir.
So fifth one also completed, okay na? If that to divide diagonal analysis is that divide to equal triangle parts, okay na? So now one of the ACB. Next one is ABC. That is the sum your own words answers, okay na? That is the your.
It's simple and easy problem solving. Fourth problem completed. Now let us solve problem number 5. Fifth problem solved actually. What it is? Once read the question. ABCD is a rectangle. So we must recall the properties of rectangle. Rectangle properties ఏంటి అనేది మనకి immediate గా గుర్తుకు రావాలి. Okay.